In this video, I'll show you how to make a bangle. With my paper, I'll have it on the table so that it looks like a diamond, and then I'll make a diagonal fold. Then I'll unfold and I'll fold the corners in towards the middle crease. So with the bottom corner, I'll open this up and then I'll divide this into half again. Then I'll bring this corner all the way up to the top of the other folded edge and divide it into equal sections. And then I'll do the same steps on the other side. Once this is done, unfold completely and you should have 8 equal horizontal sections. I'll flip over to the other side now. Using that bottom corner, fold it to the nearest horizontal crease. Then I'll count upward 2 more intersections and I'll fold down again to divide this section. So it's a matter of just counting those intersections and keeping the horizontal creases in line with each other, and you keep repeating these steps. And then I'll do one more fold for this side. So this is my last section I'll be folding here. I'll unfold this and then rotate around to the other side and repeat those steps again. So I'll fold up that bottom corner. And I think the key to doing these steps is using that corner as your marker. You take it up to each intersection of those horizontal folds. Now for the last fold, and then I'll move on to the next step. So I've completed all of those pre-creases. Now I'll be using those creases to pleat back and forth. So I've done all the hard work already. I've made it a little bit fiddly to start off with, but it does get easier. You can definitely have a lot of fun exploring different types of paper making these bangles, as there's always an even colour distribution at the end when you reveal what's on the other side. So you could even try using brightly coloured foil with a different reverse colour. It looks awesome. So there's many ways you can do this. Now that I've done that, I'll flatten this down on the table. And then to join the bangle together, you slot one end into the other like so. It's really nifty. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun.